The rapid evolution of artificial intelligence continues to astonish, with OpenAI leading the charge. As anticipation surrounding the GPT-5 version grows, tech enthusiasts and developers are clamoring to see how it measures up next to its predecessor, GPT-4. And let me tell you, the differences are not just incremental, but revolutionary. Prepare to dive deep as we uncover the 8 groundbreaking advancements in GPT-5 that not only elevate it above GPT-4, but also promise to reshape the landscape of AI as we know it. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's journey into the future of AI. Number 1, image recognition. So OpenAI has made 2 very cool tools. One is called Clip. It basically understands pictures by looking at their descriptions. Then the other is called DALL-E, which can make different kinds of pictures just from words. DALL-E can make pictures look real, like paintings, or even almost like photographs, and it can also generate things like emojis. Clip helps check if DALL-E's pictures match the right descriptions. Number 2, long-term memory. When OpenAI made GPT-4, it could read a lot of words at once. It's basically like going from reading a short story to a big book. Another company then made their chatbot, and it could read even bigger books. People think the next version, GPT-5, will be like an AI friend that remembers stuff about you for a long time. It could, in fact, read an entire library of books in one session. This means we can do a lot more cool things with AI in the future and a lot less resources. Number 3, faster speeds. A huge chunk of OpenAI revenue comes from the very demanding enterprises and businesses that make up their customer base. So now, with GPT-5, they must not only be cheaper, but also faster. Developers are already upset with the fact that GPT-4 API calls frequently stop responding, and they are forced even to use GPT 3.5 models in production. It has become a huge priority for OpenAI to improve performance in GPT-5, especially after the launch of the lightning-fast Google Bard competitor. Number 4, less expensive. We already know that GPT-4 was quite expensive to use, even in comparison to the previous 3.5 model. So if OpenAI wants developers to adopt GPT-5 in the future, the company must keep the pricing competitive and reasonable. Due to GPT's massive infrastructure of mixed models, the computation cost is very high. OpenAI will have to find a way to create a dense model which is more capable and advanced to keep the costs down for both individuals and businesses. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find this information interesting. Number 5, private versus open source code. Now it has become clear that neither GPT-4 or the upcoming GPT-5 would be open source in order to stay competitive in the AI race. Making this code public could also have some serious public safety issues as well. However, Meta has been approaching AI development a little differently. Meta has been releasing multiple AI models under a special license, which is a research-only or a non-commercial license. This has also been gaining some serious traction among the open source community. Number 6, better natural language. In comparison to GPT-4, GPT-5 also offers a more advanced task-oriented capability, such as summarization, question answering, and natural language inference. GPT-5 also uses a more extensive and diverse training dataset than GPT-4. It leverages unsupervised training to learn from unstructured data. As a result, GPT-5 has a more comprehensive understanding of language patterns than GPT-4 ever did. Number 7, more security. GPT-5 has now more safeguards in place to prevent misuse or hacking of its output. It is also far less likely to respond to requests for disallowed content. For example, many users have attempted to trick ChatGPT into answering inappropriate questions. Others have tried to override its content moderation by providing OpenAI with many examples of malicious prompts. GPT-5 now prevents hacks such as this. Number 8, Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. In February 2023, Sam Altman wrote a blog on AGI and how it can benefit all of humanity. Artificial General Intelligence, as the name suggests, is the next generation of AI systems that is generally smarter than humans. It has been said that OpenAI's upcoming model, GPT-5, will achieve full AGI. We already have several autonomous AI agents like AutoGPT and Baby AGI, which are based on GPT-4 and can make decisions on their own. They can even come up with reasonable conclusions and summations of those decisions. It's entirely possible that some of the more advanced versions of AGI will be deployed within GPT-5. Thanks for watching, and I hope you are as excited as I am about GPT-5. Please like and subscribe and comment below about what you will most likely use AI for in the future, especially GPT-5. Thanks again.